Let us learn the alphabet V today. V says V. You have to hold your lower lip and say V. V for vegetables. V for van. V for violin. V for violet. V for volcano. V has two slanting lines. V for vegetables. 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 Some of the vegetables are drawn below. Cabbage, carrot, eggplant. These all together are called as vegetables. Vegetables are good for your health. Vegetables are good for you. They make you strong and healthy too. If you eat them every day, I feel so good. Is that what you say? Cabbage, carrots, and eggplants. All of these are good for you. Now, let us draw the alphabet V. V has two slanting lines, just like these two fingers. Now, let us try to draw the alphabet V. We'll draw our first slanting line. We'll draw a backward slanting line from up to down. Now, from the same point, we will draw a forward slanting line from down to up. One backward slanting line and one forward slanting line. Once again, from up to down, backward slanting line. And from down to up, forward slanting line. V says V. V says V. V for vegetables. V for violin. V for violet. V for volcano. Now, let us try to recognize the alphabet V. V has two slanting lines joining in between. Does this alphabet has two slanting lines? Yes, but it also has a sleeping line. So this is not alphabet V. Does this alphabet has slanting lines? Yes, but it has four slanting lines. So this is not alphabet V. Does this alphabet has two slanting lines? Yes, but V looks similar to these two fingers. Do these two alphabets look same? No. Does this alphabet has two slanting lines just like my fingers? Yes. So this is alphabet V. Let's circle. This is alphabet V.